And it's another favorite from our special guest, Chaka Khan. It's called This Is My Night.
Feels so right. The spirit's telling no lie. I'm gonna let this magic ride. This is my night. I'm gonna do it just right. I'm gonna let this magic shine. This is my night. I'm gonna do it just right. I'm gonna let this magic shine. Right on the way to paradise. It feels so fine. It feels just like the first time going all the way. This is my night. I'm gonna do it just right. I'm gonna let this magic shine.
Special guest at this time. She is not only one of the great female singers of our time, but a virtual genius in the area of vocal improvisation.
Baby, there's something I like about you. You make me feel
How your name?
Deidre.
Hey, Deidre.
Well,
And Will, you're both familiar with the Soul Train Scramble Board, right? You have 60 seconds to correctly unscramble the name of a famous person in our history whose name you should know. And while you lean on into that, we're going to lean on into this. Shaka Khan and Soul Talking.
Some girls need emotion. Some girls just want some fun. Some look for devotion. Some just wanna run. Some crave for affection. Burning up inside. Some need the direction for the world outside. We can dance the dance till the morning comes. I tell you where I'm coming from. So talking, talk to me. So talking, talk to me. So talking. I hear you. So talking, so talk to me. So talking, talk to me. So talking. It's the heart of the matter. It's the root of the cause. It's the skill of the moment. It's a heavenly thought. Don't need a savior. And I don't want a slave. I just wanna hit it. On that magnetic wave. What I need tonight to be in your mind. You want to know my mind. So talking, so talking, talk to me. So talking, so talking.
All right, next.
Hi, my name is Todd from The Boys. Stay tuned for more soul and more fun as the Soul Train continues with special guests Shaka Khan and the great Arsenio Hall.
Khan and Shaka, I love you.
I love you too. I have for years.
Thank you.
We go back a long way, you remember?
Absolutely. Chicago.
Chicago.
Right? When you were a little girl, and I was a little boy.
Right.
No, I was a grown man. And Shaka was singing in the clubs, but she was handling. She was too young, but she was handling.
I was too young, that's right.
What was that first group you had in Chicago?
A
Before
group-
Rufus.
Well, this is
It was Ask Rufus, right?
It was Ask Rufus before Rufus. And then before that was
How old were you when
A lot of
you,
groups.
you first performed with a live band?
about 16.
Well,
Yeah.
well, you were bad, dude. Your new album's very interesting.
You like it?
Was it fun doing?
It was great fun, yeah, because I got to work with a lot of friends that I have a vast amount of respect for. So it was,
And you just came back from like 6 weeks in Europe.
yeah.
What are some of the songs that Europeans react to that you do? What are your songs that get the best reactions in Europe?
They, Ain't Nobody, everybody seems to know.
Anywhere in the world?
Everywhere. Through the Fire, they know. They also know Stronger Than Before, which is interesting. Those are some of the requests that we get. We get a lot of old Rufus requests, too.
You mentioned that there's some people who are still popular in Europe that we don't hear much from here,
Absolutely.
right?
Like,
Did you want to talk about that?
well, the dude that, for instance, the dude that did Kung Fu Fighting. You remember that?
He's big in Europe now?
He's still doing Kung Fu Fighting. Chubby Checker's still doing the twist. And
Right. Mhm. So all that sort of surprised you then, right?
well, a tad, yeah. Let's talk longevity here. It's like, ooh. But it's good. Europe is good for that. They are a real
What's
loyal,
your
non-fickle kind of
right? What's your favorite European market?
record.
Market?
Oh, market. Oh, Germany.
Why Germany?
Well, because I speak a little German. Maybe that's why, because I understand a little German.
Sprechen Sie Deutsch?
Yeah, ein bisschen kleine Deutsch. Du
Yeah,
auch?
okay. Let's do that. Boy, she left me way out of left field on that one. Shaka's gonna do, I think, your latest single for us now, right?
Right. It's my party in English.
Okay. Miss Shaka Khan.
Everybody's having a real good time. Any drop just got yours is mine. Gotta chill out, hear what I'm saying. Before I stop the music playing. It's my party. I started out in there, yeah. Baby, it's my party. I'm upset and offended. Ooh, yeah, yeah.
I'm all alone, and the party's going strong. Ooh, it's a celebration, better our relation. A sudden flash in my vision, rendezvousing in the kitchen. Kids got lost and I found him all involved. He was wearing a guilty face and had his arms around her waist. Lipstick on his face. It's my party. I started out in there. Yes, I will. Baby, it's my party. I'm upset and offended. Everybody's having a real good time. Celebrate, celebrate. Many drop choose not yours is mine. Celebrate, celebrate. Gotta chill out, hear what I'm saying. Before I stop this music playing. It's my party, yeah. I started out in there. Yes, I will. Baby, it's my party. I'm upset and offended.
Oh, tell me what it is.
Ooh, that lipstick on your face.
Oh, tell me what you see.
Rendezvous in the kitchen.
Oh, baby, what it's gonna be.
Stop this music playing.
Ooh, just to me.
Very plain to see. It's my party. I started out in there. Baby, it's my party. I'm upset and offended. It's my
Coming to America, has launched his own late-night talk variety television series, and based on what I hear from his own lips, the show is an absolute smash, and Johnny Carson's in trouble. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Arsenio Hall. You did say Johnny Carson's in trouble.
I didn't
I didn't
say
make
that,
up,
man.
okay?
I didn't say that, but
Okay. No, you gonna chicken out, huh?
Well, I just.
See, you was talking all big backstage. Now they can't. Man, come on, Arsenio. You're embarrassing me. Now, did you
Johnny-
say that or not?
No, I said. No, see,
Don't laugh, man. This ain't funny.
Johnny's a legend, man. You can't knock him off. But I
Well,
want whatever he leaves.
well, so am
over
I.
here. Yeah, you are. You are, right? And you knocked Dick Clark off, right? Yes.
Ah. Oh man, this is not working, you know. Go ahead, man.
Hi.
Hi.
Can I do the scramble board or something? Martin, Luther. How you spell Luther?
No. No, you have to be able to spell to do the scramble.
Yeah, and I'm a
Okay.
terrible speller.
And so that would be a problem,
Yeah.
you know.
But I just want the Afro Sheen. Can you give me a small word? Like war, the band War. I win Afro Sheen, W-A-R. No, okay, go on. I'm sorry, go on. This is very nice.
What's the name of your new show?
We spent hours sitting in the studio trying to figure it out with major Paramount executives. It's called the Arsenio Hall Show.
I wouldn't have called it that.
What would you have called it? The Don Cornelius Show.
I would have called it
Arsenio,
Make Me Laugh.
make me laugh. They've done that, Don.
Well, no, that's a nice idea for a show.
Make me laugh?
Yeah,
They've done that, man. Get a TV. They have done that.
you're wrong.
You
You're
remember
wrong, brother. You're wrong again.
You don't remember Make Me Laugh?
Well, I remember it.
Okay.
But, you know,
I know you
I
just-
just feel like arguing.
You're just in that kind of mood.
Well, this is gonna be the longest interview we ever done on Soul Train. You know,
You want to start all over?
I prefer not to.
You got tape, man. We can start all over. This is a Chaka Khan
So-
tribute or something today,
So
right?
your show premiered.
I asked you a
on-
question, Don. Are you listening to me, man?
No, wait.
Don't be just going on like,
No,
you know.
no. It's
This ain't
not-
Lakeside, man. You got to
brother,
talk to
no,
me.
No, let me explain something to you. It's
Okay.
not that I'm not listening to you.
Okay.
Okay. But I tuned you out.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
You know,
I'm sorry.
it's
Okay.
different. See, I
Okay.
can hear you,
You're good at that too.
but it
Just-
doesn't matter what you're saying.
You just like to hear what you're saying.
That's right.
Yes, sir.
That's right.
Welcome aboard the Soul Train. My name is Don Cornelius, and I just like to hear myself talk. I'm a biggin', you're gonna be digging. Okay, let's talk. Okay, I'm sorry. We can cut all this out.
Okay.
You won't see none of this one.
All right, now, everybody that laughed at that, get out of here, okay?
Is that Michael
No.
Jackson or is that a lookalike?
No.
'Cause
No.
what?
That's not Michael Jackson, and there ain't no lookalike.
Oh.
Matter of fact, he ain't even here.
Oh, okay. Okay.
All right.
No, but
Forget
it's
about that.
No, but there's a
Arsenio.
guy. Okay.
Forget
okay.
that.
Okay. That's, but there's a guy.
Hey.
He looked just like Michael.
Oh, yo, Arsenio. Hey. Yo, Arsenio. No, don't do that. Don't do that, man. Oh man, you gonna get me in trouble,
But
brother.
it looked like Michael Jackson. man.
It ain't him.
Hey Reggie, check in the parking lot, see if you see a snake and a giraffe.
Oh, please.
It looked like Michael, man.
No. Arsenio, talk show.
Okay, yes.
Talk show.
Talk show. I'm doing a talk show.
Talk show.
I'm happy.
Talk show.
Yes. Yes, I'm
Okay.
very happy that I'm doing my talk show
Now,
again.
now, with there being all these multitudes of talk shows on the air now, why would you even think of doing something like that?
Because I
Now,
think
deal with that, brother.
Yeah, right on. Deal with that question. My thing is, we live in America. When you walk outside, you see a
That
lot
was
of
the name of your movie, wasn't it?
yeah, Coming to America. But Living in America is a song.
That's James Brown.
Yes. Who?
Oh, no,
Okay,
no,
okay,
no,
okay,
nah.
okay.
Nah,
Okay.
you can really forget that.
Okay.
Okay.
But I'd like to go visit James soon because I want to see the jumpsuits he's wearing in prison. I bet they're real cute. Anyway,
you know that remark will never see the light
you
of
gonna
day.
edit that out?
Yeah.
That'll be out. That won't even. Okay, back to the interview.
You're aware that this is a tribute to Shaka Khan that
Yes.
you invited. to
Shaka Khan. Shaka Khan.
Shaka Khan, Shaka Khan.
Yes, you're so
Shaka
nice. You
Khan.
got to say it twice or three times.
Or
right?
3 times.
Tribute to Chaka. But we talking about the talk
And
show.
as a matter of fact, in order the way we like to get out of this interview
Is me
to,
just
is to dedicate a Shaka Khan classic to you.
Oh, you got such heart, man.
And the
To do that.
title of it is Papillon.
It's called Papillon. Can I introduce it? Can I? No.
It's already done.
It's already done.
Done.
Oh, that was it.
And so are you. Arsenio Hall, ladies and gentlemen.
John's going in.
I remember when you took my breath away.
Chanson papillon. We were very young like butterflies.
Like hot butterflies.
Chanson papillon. We had just begun.
We let it slide on by. You realize all our memories are burning in time, like a bittersweet perfume. Can you tell me how I love that so fine could have climaxed in a single afternoon?
Chanson papillon. We were very young like butterflies.
Like hot butterflies.
Chanson papillon. We had just begun.
Let it slide. Didn't Chanson papillon. Chanson papillon. Ooh.
Khan, Chaka Khan, Chaka Khan. Shaka Khan, let me rock it, Shaka Khan. Let me rock it, that's all I wanna do. Shaka Khan, let me rock it, Shaka Khan. Let me rock it, cause I feel for you. Shaka Khan, what you do, what you wanna do? Do you feel for me the way I feel for you? Shaka Khan, let me tell you what I wanna do. I wanna love you, wanna hug you, wanna squeeze you too. And let me take it in my arms, let me feel you with my charm, Shaka. Cause you know that I'm the one to keep you warm, Shaka. I make it more than just a physical dream. I wanna rock you, Shaka, baby, cause you make me wanna scream. Let me rock it, rock it.
Baby, baby, when I look at you, I feel warm inside. There's something about the things you do that keeps me satisfied. I wouldn't lie to you, baby. It's mainly a physical thing. The feeling that I got with you, baby, makes me wanna sing. Feel for you, think I love you. Feel for you, think I love you.
Shaka Khan, let me rock it, Shaka Khan. Let me rock it, that's all I wanna do. Shaka Khan, let me rock it, Shaka Khan. Let me rock it, cause I feel for you, I feel for you.
Baby, baby, when I lay with you, there's no place I'd rather be. Can't believe it's true. Things that you do to me. I wouldn't lie to you, baby. I'm physically attracted to you. This feeling that I got for you, baby. There's nothing that I wouldn't do. I feel for you. Think I love you. I feel for you. Think I love you. Yes, I wanna tell you. See feel for you. I think I love you.
Shaka Khan, let me rock it, Shaka Khan. Let me rock it, that's all I wanna do. Shaka Khan, let me rock it, Shaka Khan. Let me rock it, cause I feel for you. Feel for you.